Hi everyone, my name is Imanuel Junaedy, aka Mr. Manny. Today I will be showing you guys how to play a cool short piece that I just performed in the beginning of this video. The piece that I just played was the main theme from Star Wars, written by my all-time favorite composer John Williams. I hope we have some Star Wars fans here. If you're not, no worries, we can still learn this piece and play it for our friends and family. Well, without further ado, let's play some music. It will be great if you have access to a piano. However, if you don't, nothing to worry. Thanks to technology nowadays, if you have a smartphone or tablet like this one, you can find some free piano apps that you can practice on. For piano tutorials on smart devices, please check out my other video. Okay, first we'll be talking about chords. A chord is a group of notes which are played together. Chords are used to play along with the melody of a song. Chords are usually played with the left hand and the melody is played with the right. In this song, we have two different parts, part A and part B, and each part has three different chords in it. In part A, we have the chords C, B flat, and G major. In C major, the notes are C, E, and G. Again, C, E, and G. Okay, let's play them together. Next we have the chord B flat major. The notes are B flat, D, and F. Again, B flat, D, and F. Okay, let's play them together. And the third chord is G major. The notes are B, D, and G. Again, B, D, and G. Okay, let's play them together. In part B, we have three different chords as well, F, G, and E flat major. F major has three notes, F, A, and C. Again, F, A, and C. Let's play them together. Next, we have G major again. This time, the notes are in different order. They are G, B, and D. Again, G, B, and D. Let's play them together. Lastly, we have E flat major. The notes are G, B flat, and E flat. Again, G, B flat, and E flat. Let's play them together. Next, we will be learning how to play the melody of this song. A melody is the main part of the song that makes us remember which song is which. It's like a personality. As I mentioned before, this song has two main parts, part A, part B, and then we repeat part A again in the end with a little twist. In part A, there is one phrase that we need to remember, and we will play it twice. A phrase is like a sentence. Here are the notes. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D. In part B, there are three phrases that we need to remember. The first one is A, F, E, D, C, C, E, D, A, B. The second one is A, F, E, D, C, G, D. The third one is A, F, E, D, C, C, E, D, A, B, G, 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 G. After part B, we will repeat part A again with a little twist at the end. Here's the melody. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, D, A, B. Okay, now that we know the chords and melodies of this song, why don't we put some rhythm into it? Rhythm can mean a few things: pattern, beat, and timing. Basically, it's like when and where we play a note or a chord in the song. There are three different rhythm patterns in this song: the single, double, and triple count. The single count goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The double count goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Lastly, the triple count goes like this: 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And now let's put them into practice with our chords. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 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 3, 4. And here is the chord rhythm for part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. And here's the melody rhythm for part A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 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 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's the melody rhythm for part B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. And here's the melody rhythm for the part A with a little twist. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 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 1, 2, 3, 4. hope you guys had some fun learning music today. Remember, practice makes perfect. May the force be with you.